Nessa Sunshine here, and today we are getting into the new Colourpop Mauve, or Mauve. I'm not sure how to say that word, but I say Mauve. And this is one of my favorite colors to wear on my face, so I'm super excited about this collection. Like many other things I get very super excited about, but this one is really, really pretty. It looks like it matches the blush and nude collection that they came out with at the beginning of the year. So this is like a Mauve version, and I'm so for it. So if you're ready to get this eye look and see more about this collection, well, subscribe to my channel and let's get into the tutorial. I'm gonna get started with the color Solitaire and my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro number 18 blending brush. I'm blending it out, I'm tapping into it again, and I'm blending out, and I'm going to tap into it again. And I'm taking now the tip and edge of the brush onto the brow bone and blending up and out, or out and up. It's time to add a Solitaire to the other side, and then I'll get into the next shadow. The next shadow I'm getting into is Big Fig, and I'll be using the Nabla Precision Soft Crease Brush. Go into the outer corner and move in swiper motions with the tip of the brush, holding my brush like a paintbrush toward my face. Dipping a lot more into Big Fig, and now tapping off excess. I'm going to swipe up further into the crease area of my eye and moving up and out, moving in swiper motions back and forth just in the outer corner, like so. Now tapping once more into Big Fig a few times and tapping off the excess, this time off the brush. I'm moving with the tip of the brush above the crease of my eyelid, and I'm moving it over. And I'm gonna move in long swiper motions, back and forth, and over as well, up here. And I kind of swoop. So from the crease, and then I go out and then up. The next shadow I'm getting into is Marquee, and I'll be using the Nabla Precision Soft Crease Brush. So since this is a tapered brush, what I did is kind of drag it into the shadow on each side or edge of the tapered part, if that makes sense, like the part that goes in. And from there I will start to build up the outer corner. So I'm going to look down a little bit just so I can see this outer corner mobile part of my eyelid, and I'm going to brush out with the edge where the tapered part of the brush is, and we're deepening up this outer corner. I'm going to go back into Marquee, same thing, I just coated my whole brush with it. I'm using not only the side but also the tip when I go above the crease of my personal eyelid. And I'm moving now just the tip in swiper motions up. I'm going to slightly move it over, but not completely. Next I'll be adding the shimmer shade Mauve on top. So basically what I'm doing here is taking my index finger, and I'm first gonna press it onto my lid, and then I'll move around and then move my finger only outward, so moving toward my right as I'm going on my right eye, and then press and then swipe out. Press, swipe out, kind of move my finger around, get close to the inner corner. And if I need to take more, I'll take more. I'm going to be taking the Super Shock Shadow from the duo in this collection called Day Trippin'. I'll be using the pointed crease brush from Nabla, and I am just moving it into the Super Shock Shadow like this. So I'm just going to take a little bit right in here, and then I'll do the same thing to the other side. So just take a little tiny bit, and then I'm going to get even brighter with my highlighter. So what I'll do is add my highlighter to my inner corner. Now that I'm done applying the Super Shock Shadow, it's time for a makeup miracle moment. I'll be popping on the Lotus Lashes Yarzabeth Lash, and then what am I doing after that? Oh, it's a makeup miracle moment, so I'll come back and finish the lower lash line in a makeup miracle moment. And Shazam, a makeup miracle moment has occurred on my face. And I popped on the Yarzabeth lash from Lotus Lashes, and the number 68 is very similar if you're interested. I think it is sold out right now, so sorry about that. Anyway, so let's get into the lower lash line. I'm going to get into the color Marquee again for this lower area, and I'll let you know what I applied on my inner corners of my eye. It was my highlight, the Colourpop, The Real Thing from their nude and blush collection, and I'll be using the soft dab and smudge brush from Nabla Cosmetics. So I'm going to dab it onto the lower lashes, or on the lower lash line in the outer corner with the very tip of this smudge brush. Get a little bit more on the very tip and dab it up and connect it up to the top. Now smudging with just this brush, and I think that's all I'm gonna do. I didn't actually clean up my lips, and I usually do. I did that on purpose because I want a little bit of a brightness underneath the lip I will be wearing today. Just because it's a really pretty light pink mauve, and I want that color to shine. I'm going to be applying lip liner and everything, so will it matter? I don't know. I will be applying the Jogia Skinny Dipping Lip Liner and the Luxe Glossy Lip in Check-In from the collection. So here we have the palette. It is so beautiful. I love all the shades. They're all so beautiful. They're really, really pretty. They're very wearable. Very mauve, pink, purple, nude, and I'm obsessed. This is the color that I like to wear on my lips the most, mauve. The shimmers are glorious in this palette, and there's a nice array of mattes, and then there is one with some shimmers in it, like a matte with a shimmer, which I really, really like a lot. I love this. I think this is my favorite of the Nude Mood Blush Crush. I think Making Mauves is my favorite one. So these two Super Shocks come in a duo, and I have them here on my fingers. Day Trippin' just doesn't come out as booming for me as a boomer. Is it called boomer? Oh no, bloomer. Yeah, they're very soft. They're very soft, which is kind of what they're going for, I think, with this collection, to be very soft. So that is the duo. The packaging on the blushes is super pretty to me. I really love these two. I love the colors. I use this one today. It's called Coast to Coast. It's really pretty, beautiful. Now, these beautiful Luxe glosses. I really love their Luxe glosses. This is called Checked In, which I have on my lips on top of a lip liner. This is a beautiful gloss. I really, really love this. And then this one's Figgy With It. Okay, so this is the other color, which is a really pretty. This is the type of matte liquid lipstick I reach for most, that color. I'd want to try it. I haven't tried it, but these are the two glosses, and I love this one. And that completes this tutorial and kind of my first thoughts on this beautiful collection. So would I recommend this collection to you? Well, if you are in need of blushes and you like these colors, yes. The Super Shock shadows are very light and soft. If you're soft glam, then maybe you want to pick those up, maybe not, that's okay. The glosses, at least the one that I tried, is beautiful. I love it. It's so, so pretty. I like the look of the gloss, the Luxe glosses, and the feeling of them and everything. So really like that one. I can't wait to try the other one. And then the palette, highly recommend, highly recommend. Now, if you tried the Nude Mood or the Blush Crush palettes and you love those, then this one, for me, I think this is my favorite of the three, Nude Mood, Blush Crush, and then now Making Mauves. So if you did enjoy this video, make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. So I will see you next time, and I guess ta-ta for now, TTFN. Bye. Bye now.